Part A says find the values of P and Q if x minus 1 is a factor of the expression function of x is equal to x cubed plus x squared minus px plus q. So they've already given us x minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1 is a factor. That means x minus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to 1, so f of 1 would come out to be 0, children. F of 1 would come out to be 0 since it's already a factor. And they've also given us f of negative 1 equals to 18, so we substituted them one by one. So f of 1, children, f of 1 would come out to be 1 cubed plus 1 squared minus p times 1 plus q, which is equal to 0. That gives us minus p plus q is equal to negative 2. That's equation number 1. Then they say, children, f of negative 1 is equal to 18. That means in place of x put a negative 1. So that's f of negative 1, which is negative 1 the whole cube minus 1 the whole squared minus 1 times p plus q is equal to 18. So that's 18 is equal to negative 1 plus 1 plus p plus q. This cancels off to give us p plus q equal to 18. That's equation number 2. Let's solve them simultaneously. That's p plus q is equal to 18 minus p plus q is equal to minus 2. So this cancels off to give you 2q is equal to 16, q is equal to 8. Once we get the value of q, children, we can substitute any one of the two equations. So that's p plus 8 is equal to 18, p is equal to 10. So children, the value of p and q is what they needed. We have given them that. Now children, as far as the marks are concerned, getting this equation would fetch you 1 mark. This equation would give us 1 mark. This equation, if it's correct, will fetch us 1 mark. And this, the values, the answers correct, will fetch us 1 mark, children.